Sometimes it can be really helpful to see upcoming events and reminders right on the home screen of your phone so that you don't forget them. If you haven't used a widget before, think of it like a mini version of an app that sits right on your home screen. It shows you useful information without needing to open the full app. There are lots of widgets you can add to your Android home screen. We're going to focus on the calendar and reminder widgets so you can quickly see your upcoming events and to-do lists. Once you've unlocked your Android device, press and hold on any empty space on the home screen. A menu will pop up at the bottom. Tap on Widgets. This opens the widget list. Let's start with the Reminders widget. You can scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find Reminder. It may say Tasks or Google Tasks if you use Google. Once you've found it, tap on it. This will open a drop-down menu. In my reminders list, it gives the option to display all my reminders or just ones I select. Most often, you'll want to select the All option. Tap the widget you want. It should turn grey and then say Add on top. Press this button to add the widget to your home screen. Once placed, and depending on your phone, you might also be able to resize the widget by pressing and dragging the edges like this. Now, let's add the calendar widget. Go back to the widget menu the same way. Press and hold on the home screen, then tap Widgets. Scroll to Calendar and tap on it for the drop-down menu. You'll see different styles: a compact daily view, a list of upcoming events, and a full month view. Tap the one you like so it goes grey, and press the Add button to add it to your home screen. Again, depending on your phone, you might be able to resize it or tweak the settings. Once you're done, just tap anywhere on the screen to exit editing mode. Now, you've got both reminders and calendar widgets right on your home screen, with styles that suit how you like to see your day.